Let me share some exciting ideas with you. Imagine 7 online businesses that can potentially earn you over $14,000 a month. And the best part? You can start them today for free, even if you have zero money and feel totally broke. That's the challenge I've taken on, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it using free tools, websites, and apps. Let's dive right in, starting with the first idea, creating Pick One videos. These are simple, fun, and surprisingly lucrative. Essentially, they're like a fancy slideshow where you showcase images or short clips, and viewers pick their favorite one. It's a concept that's resonating big time with audiences. For example, I came across a YouTube Shorts video in this style, and it blew my mind. In less than a month, it had already racked up over 9 million views. And this isn't a one-off success story. This particular account has only been around for 6 months, yet its videos are consistently going viral. Their videos have become insanely popular, and honestly, it's not surprising when you think about it. These are the kinds of videos people love to share with friends, comparing which images or clips they liked best. And guess what? The YouTube algorithm absolutely loves when videos get shared, which is why these videos have gone so viral. When I checked out this particular account on Social Blade, I saw they pulled in over 27 million views in just the past month. That's wild. What makes this even more exciting is how much money can be made from YouTube Shorts through their monetization program. From what creators have shared on forums like the YouTube subreddit, they're earning anywhere between 10 to 20 cents per 1,000 views for YouTube Shorts ads. That lines up with what I've seen too. My RPM is around 20 cents per 1,000 views. So if we crunch the numbers, 27 million views at an average RPM of 15 cents per 1,000 views would bring in over $4,000. And here's where it gets even more exciting. There are even more ways to earn money with this kind of content. What's even crazier is that these kinds of videos can make even more money when uploaded to TikTok, thanks to TikTok's creator rewards and monetization programs. For instance, there's a TikTok user who made a series of Pick One videos featuring quirky and strange AI-generated images, like some hilariously weird toilet designs. One of their videos got nearly 24 million views. Here's the kicker. They shared that in just 4 months, they've earned over $16,000, which is about $18,000 in US dollars. And that's just one account. There are countless others creating simple Pick One videos on TikTok, racking up millions of views and earning thousands of dollars. So that's one business idea for you, but I'm not stopping there. I'm going to show you the exact tools, apps, and websites you can use to get started with these online businesses for free. Let's begin with where to find the cool content you'll need for these videos. When it comes to creating content for your videos, there are usually 2 popular styles to choose from. One option is to use cool video clips, like the ones featured in some Pick One videos. The best part? You don't have to spend a penny on them. There are fantastic royalty-free stock video sites like Pixabay and Pexels. Just sign up for an account, search for the type of clips you need, and download them for free. It's that simple. Another approach is to get creative with AI-generated images, like some accounts do. Right now, one of the best tools for this is Microsoft Designer. It's free, and there's no limit to the number of images you can generate. Plus, it uses advanced technology like DALL-E 3, so the quality of the images is seriously impressive. Honestly, if someone had told me a couple of years ago that I could create any image I wanted for free, I probably wouldn't have believed it. But here we are. Once you've got your content ready, the next step is editing, and for that, I highly recommend CapCut. It's an incredible free video editor with tons of helpful AI features and special effects, and you don't have to pay for any of them. It's a solid tool for making your videos look polished and professional without spending a dime. Now let's switch gears and talk about a different type of online business that might surprise you, marketplace arbitrage. Here's how it works. Imagine you spot a 3D printer for sale on Facebook Marketplace in New Jersey for $125. Then you head over to eBay and find the same model listed for $109 with free shipping. This is where arbitrage comes in. You buy the item at the lower price from one platform, then list it for sale at a higher price on another. The difference in price becomes your profit. It's all about spotting deals and taking advantage of price differences between platforms. There are plenty of tutorials online that show you exactly how to do this kind of arbitrage, especially on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. Some people also refer to this as dropshipping, so feel free to call it whatever works for you. Here's a quick breakdown of how it works if you want to try it yourself. First, you start by heading over to Facebook Marketplace and picking a location to list your product. Usually, sellers target major cities in the US like Portland, New York, or Los Angeles. And here's the cool part. You don't even need to live in that city to list an item there. Next, you create a listing for an item you found at a lower price on another platform, like eBay. Once a customer buys it from you on Marketplace, you take the payment they've made, purchase the item from your cheaper source, and have it shipped directly to the buyer's address. The difference in price is your profit. Simple as that. Now let's talk about another exciting e-commerce business that's also free to start: print on demand. This one's a favorite for a lot of people, and for good reason. It's creative, fun, and can be really rewarding. Let me explain how it works. It's no surprise that print on demand is such a popular online business idea. It's simple, flexible, and can be highly profitable. Here's how it works. With print on demand apps like Printify and Printful, you can start with a blank product, like a t-shirt, and customize it by uploading your own design. Once it's ready, you can sell it at a retail price, keeping the profit after production costs. Setting up a print-on-demand store doesn't have to cost you anything. There are platforms that let you create an online store for free, and they integrate seamlessly with print-on-demand services. Once you've signed up, you can browse through their catalog of blank products, pick the items you want to sell, and upload your designs. It's a straightforward way to start selling without worrying about inventory or shipping logistics, as everything is handled for you. This model works well for creative people who love designing unique, funny, or trendy products like shirts, hoodies, mugs, or stickers. Let's break it down further so you can get started easily. Once you've chosen a blank product to sell, the next step is adding your design. To create designs, I usually rely on two fantastic tools. One is Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative that's perfect for editing images or creating text-based designs. If you're into typography or simple graphics, this is an excellent tool to get started without any upfront cost. The other tool I often use is Canva. While Canva has a pro version that gives access to a massive library of images and clip art, the free version is more than enough for most beginners. Plus, if you want to explore more features, they offer a free trial that's worth trying out. Both apps make it easy to create eye-catching designs for your products. Once your design is ready, you can upload it to your online store. When someone buys a product, the platform handles everything: collecting payment, ordering the item from the print-on-demand service, and shipping it directly to the customer. The production cost is deducted from the customer's payment, and the rest is your profit. It's a simple and efficient way to run an online store without needing to deal with inventory or shipping logistics. Once a customer places an order, the print-on-demand service takes care of everything for you. They'll print your design onto the product, package it, and ship it directly to the customer. The best part? The profit, after deducting production costs, goes straight to you, whether it's into your bank account or onto a debit card. If you're someone with creative ideas for fun, quirky, or stylish designs, think t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or stickers, starting a print-on-demand store can be an excellent online business. But of course, the big question is, how do you get customers to visit your store? One of the best ways to do this for free is through content creation. TikTok, for instance, is full of print-on-demand stores using short videos to promote their products. Many of these videos go viral without any ad spend. Take a simple meme t-shirt video, for example. It doesn't need fancy production. One such video, just featuring a funny still image of a shirt, gained over 2.8 million views. It's a powerful way to showcase your products and build an audience. Another great platform is Pinterest. By turning your products into visually appealing pins, you can drive traffic directly to your store. Let's explore that further. If you search for something like funny mugs on Pinterest, you'll see a ton of examples of print-on-demand products showcased as top pins. Many of these pins link directly to the creator's e-commerce stores where you can buy the items, like a funny mug you might want to gift to your dad. Pinterest is an amazing way to drive free traffic to your store, and it works especially well for visually appealing or giftable products. The key is to pick a content platform, whether it's Pinterest, TikTok, or another site, and learn how to make content that resonates with your audience. There are tons of free tutorials available online to help you go viral and attract attention. If you have a bit of extra money, say $50 or $100, you can boost your business even more by listing your products on marketplaces like Etsy. Etsy gets hundreds of millions of visitors each month and sells billions of dollars worth of products every year. By tapping into their built-in traffic, you can grow your store much faster. For example, many people have scaled their print-on-demand stores in just a few months by leveraging Etsy's massive audience. It's definitely worth considering if you want to take your store to the next level. Another great online business idea is creating tutorials and leveraging affiliate marketing. This is a model that works incredibly well, and here's how it goes. The idea is to create evergreen tutorials for apps, tools, or websites that you genuinely like and find useful. For example, let's say you make a tutorial showing how to use a popular design app to create and export t-shirt designs. You can then share it on a platform like YouTube. Tutorials like these have ongoing value because people are constantly searching for them. Here's where the affiliate aspect comes in. You include a referral link to the app or tool in your description. When someone clicks your link and signs up, you earn a commission. It's a simple concept that can become a consistent source of income because once the tutorial is up, it keeps attracting views and clicks over time. This works across various platforms, not just YouTube. Whether you prefer TikTok, a blog, or even Pinterest, you can adapt this method and reach people in different ways. It's an effective and scalable way to generate income while helping others learn something new. One of the great things about creating tutorial content is that it's evergreen. People are always searching for how-to videos, especially for useful tools and apps. For instance, a tutorial video I created has been getting traffic every single day for over 2 years just through YouTube's search engine. Many of those viewers click the affiliate link I included, sign up for the tool, and I earn a commission. It's a steady and passive way to generate income. But here's the exciting part. YouTube isn't the only platform you can use for this. You can create tutorials on almost any platform you like. For example, I've also made tutorial videos on TikTok. Some of them have received tens of thousands and even hundreds of thousands of views. The TikTok search engine keeps bringing in new viewers over time, which leads to even more affiliate signups. One of my simplest TikTok tutorials was just a quick recording of my laptop screen as I walked through a process filmed with my phone. It doesn't have to be complicated. The key is to get started and share something valuable with others. If you're wondering how to begin, especially if you're on a tight budget, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. To get started with affiliate marketing, the first step is to sign up for an affiliate program. Many affiliate directories are completely free to join, and one of the most popular is Impact. It's a platform where you can find referral links for a wide variety of brands and services. Chances are, you'll recognize several businesses or apps on there that you can create tutorials for. Once you pick a product, you're ready to start making content. When it comes to editing your tutorial, there are some fantastic free tools to help you out. CapCut is an excellent choice because it has a built-in screen recorder. You can use this to capture your screen as you demonstrate the app or tool, and then record your voiceover separately, even on your phone. If you're worried about sound quality, there's a free app called Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech AI. It uses AI to clean up your audio and make it sound professional, even if you're using a basic microphone or recording directly from your phone. With these tools, creating high-quality tutorial content is both simple and affordable. Now let's move on to another online business that you can start with $0 Pinterest blogging. Believe it or not, there are people making thousands of dollars a week from their Pinterest blogs, and I'm going to show you how you can do this even if you don't have any money to start. Here's how it works. If you search for something like bathroom storage ideas for small spaces on Pinterest, you'll come across a ton of pins. One of these pins will likely take you to someone's personal blog. Once you're on the blog, you'll notice that many of the links lead to Amazon products. These are affiliate links, which means when someone clicks on them and makes a purchase, the blogger earns a commission. Simple, right? The cool part is that you can do this too. The only catch is that you need to know which websites to use to create your blog for free. Let's dive into how you can get started without any upfront costs. A lot of Pinterest bloggers are also on TikTok, and there's a ton of valuable SEO and optimization tutorials there that can really help boost your blog's traffic. If you're interested in diving into blogging or digital products, TikTok is a great place to learn some tips and tricks. Speaking of which, let's talk about another business you can start with no money: digital printables. Remember that blog we just talked about? If you take a look at their menu, you'll see links to downloadable digital products they're selling, like a printable ebook, storage labels, and storage charts. The beauty of this business is that once you create the digital products, you can use free traffic from platforms like Pinterest to promote and sell them. But how do you get started, especially if you're broke? Great question. First, you'll need a free app to design and create your printables. Canva is a lifesaver for this, offering a ton of pre-built templates you can easily customize. With these templates, you don't need to be a design expert to make beautiful, sellable printables. Next, you'll need a platform to actually sell your printables. There are a few options out there, but we'll talk about the best one to get started with. A great platform to sell your digital products for free is Gumroad. It's an online marketplace that's hugely popular with customers, and it's been so successful that in just the past week, sellers have made over $3 million from their digital products. It's a great place to get started if you want to sell printables or other digital items without any upfront costs. Now let's talk about a different type of online business: montage videos. These videos are simple yet incredibly engaging. They typically consist of a series of fun or interesting stock footage clips put together into a montage, often paired with intriguing facts or commentary. For example, I found a montage video that was posted just 2 months ago, and it's already received over 10 million views. The content is super simple, but it's effective. For instance, the video shared a fun fact about chia seeds. how they not only freshen your breath, but also have antibacterial properties. These videos might seem basic, but they can be incredibly profitable. If you look at the TikTok subreddit, you'll see creators sharing that they're making money by posting simple viral-style montage videos like this. Despite being easy to create, these kinds of videos can really take off. Creators on TikTok are reporting that they're earning anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per $1,000 views, which is pretty impressive. Let's do some quick math. If you get an average RPM of 60 cents per 1,000 views, this one video could have earned over $6,000. What's even crazier is that this account is under a year old, and it's already had several videos that got over 1 million views. Some even hit 11 million, 12 million, or even 20 million views. It's wild, and this account is just one example. There are so many popular montage video creators on TikTok who are crushing it. If you're interested, I highly recommend checking out some of these accounts to see what's working for them. But the crazy part isn't just the massive views. The reason I'm bringing this up is because I think montage videos are an excellent option if you're starting from scratch with zero budget. You don't need any expensive apps or websites. You can rely entirely on free tools. For instance, you can use any AI chatbot like ChatGPT to help you come up with fun facts or scripts for your videos. It's a great way to dive in without any upfront costs. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to quickly draft or edit your fun fact scripts for your videos. As I mentioned earlier, you can also find free stock videos and B-roll on websites like Pixabay and Pexels. If you don't want to narrate the video yourself, you can use a site like 11 Labs to generate a free AI voiceover. Then, to put everything together, you can use CapCut to edit your clips. One feature I particularly love is the auto caption tool. It uses AI to automatically add punchy one-word captions to your videos, which is a signature feature of many viral videos. While CapCut does offer some pro caption presets for paid users, there are also free ones that you can use with a free account, so you don't have to worry about any subscriptions. Before, manually editing captions could be super time-consuming and tedious, but now, with this technology, it's a huge time saver. If you want to learn more ways to earn money online using free AI tools, make sure to check out my next video. See you there.